skit. Yeah. What's good, y'all? Today, we showing y'all how to make some salmon. My way. Make sure you clean your shit. Squeeze that water out. I already got my oil, butter hot. Drop that bitch in. I like to do some salt, do some pepper. I do a little bit of lemon. Get you a grater. Get that motherfucker zesty. Yo. Is it pink? Next step, get your seeds out so they don't get in your pan. Ooh. You see, I'm too sweet, so I gotta add a little sour. Get you some extra butter around all corners. Let it simmer. Simmer. We already pre-cooked up some basmati rice. Salmon. Broccoli. Me cooking for the skit. Yo. We're doing good. Fish is looking good. Fish is happy. It'll probably cook a little faster now that it's broken up. Right, next, what y'all want to do is get a plate. And that's how you make your salmon plate. You got your veggies, your greens, broccoli. Got your basmati rice. You got your salmon.